Caitlin, wait.
Hey, sorry, I don't think Kara wants to talk to you.
Kara?
Sino ka ba?
Jeremy, ex-fiancé niya.
Ako na bahala doon na. Dito lang kayo.
Kara's real name is Caitlin?
What? You didn't know? So yun si Jeremy.
Bakit pa siya nandito? Hinahanap ba niya ako?
Kara, mahigit 7 taon na. Ano naman yung pagkatao mo? Deserve ni Kara na lumigaya.
Hindi mo kailangan magsalita. I just want you to know that I'm here.
He made me feel like I was his whole world. Alam mo, until now, hindi ko pa napapatawad yung sarili ko dahil doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hinayaan ko yun ang mangyari sa akin eh.
You have to give credit to yourself. Huwag kang mag-guilty for wanting love. You found it in this island.